In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a hyperlink in LibreOffice Writer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn text or objects into clickable links that point to websites, emails, other documents, or even create a brand new file. Start by launching LibreOffice Writer. You can open an existing document or start a blank one. Hyperlinks work the same in both. Once your document is open, decide what you want to turn into a link. This can be a word, a sentence, a picture, or a shape. Click and drag to highlight the text, or click once to select the object. Keeping your selection active is important because Writer will apply the link to whatever is selected. Next, go to the top menu bar, open Insert, and choose Hyperlink. This opens the Hyperlink dialog box. On the left side, you'll see 4 main categories. Think of these as the type of link you want to create, and the fields on the right will change based on what you pick. Choose Internet if you want to link to a web page. In the URL field, type or paste the full address, including the HTTPS part, for best results. If you highlighted text beforehand, that text appears in the Display Text field. You can edit it here to make the link label clear and readable. Short, descriptive text helps readers know where they'll go. Pick Mail if you want clicks to start a new email. Enter the recipient's address, and Writer automatically adds the necessary prefix behind the scenes. Some setups let you include a subject line too, which is handy when you want to guide the sender about the purpose of the email. Select Document to link either to another file on your computer or to a specific place inside the current document. This is perfect for linking to a heading, a bookmark, or a particular section. Choose the file path if you're linking externally, or choose a target within the document to help readers jump to exactly the right spot without scrolling. Choose New Document when you'd like a click to generate a new file. You can name the file, choose where to save it, and decide whether to edit it immediately or later. This is useful for templates or structured workflows. When you've entered the necessary information for the type of link you want, click Apply if you want to keep the dialog open for more links, and then click OK to finish. Your selection is now a hyperlink. Hover to preview the destination, and depending on your settings, you might hold a modifier key while clicking to follow it. If you need to change or remove it later, simply right-click the linked item and choose the relevant option.